Hello and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. Please subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much. Today we are making goat meat stew. It's a very popular and easy stew. You can use it to eat rice, pasta, rice, beans, and so on and so forth. So I'll be blending combination of peppers from tatashi to Scotch bonnet to yellow pepper, and I'll be adding shombo as well. Make sure you remove the seed of the tatashi and shombo to make sure that the peppers or the stew is not going to be bitter in any way. I'll be adding tomato to the blender as well as onions. I'll be blending everything together, after which I'm going to boil the tomato. I'm going to boil it down until it has little or no water left. So my goat meat, the goat meat has been washed. The next process is to spice your goat meat. Mind you, don't overspice this goat meat, because when you add too much spice to it, it reduces the flavor and the taste of the goat meat. That means the spice will overpower the goat meat taste in your stew. So I blended onions. I use the onions as water for this goat meat. The blended onions enhances the taste of the goat meat. Cook for 20 to 25 or 30 minutes depending on the type of goat meat. There's some goat meat you buy, you find out that the goat meat is very hard. They say female or male or something thereabout. I'm not going to fry the goat meat, I'm going to roast it. You can use your air fryer for this, but I'm using my mini oven for this procedure. I'm going to roast it for just 10 to 15 minutes. I don't want it to be too brown. I just want to give it a little bit of smoky flavor. That is all. You can see the tomato is almost cooked down. I'm going to use non-fry method. Thereby I'll be adding oil directly to the tomato. As you can see, this no-fry method has a unique, exquisite taste. If you have not tried it before, I want you to try it so that I can check between the fry method and the non-fry method which you prefer. I added the red onions to the tomato. I'll be adding some bay leaf, and I'm going to cover them to cook for 10 to 15 minutes together. So right now you can add any other spice you want in your stew, any spice you want to elevate your stew with. Please don't overpower the stew. You want to get all the full flavor of your goat meat. You want to have the full taste of your goat meat in this stew. So don't overpower this stew with a lot of spice. I'm just going to use only the curry powder and thyme, little bit of it. Okay, so I'll be adding the meat stock to this stew. It has cooked for 7 to 10 minutes with all the stuff we've added to it. So literally your stew is halfway cooked already. After adding the meat stock, that's the broth, to the stew, I'm going to cover it to cook for some time before adding the goat meat. The stew is ready. As you can see, there is oil floating on it, so the stew is perfectly cooked. I just added curry leaf to enhance the flavor. You don't need to cook the curry leaf. Once you add any veggie stuff in your stew, the stew is as good as ready. You can use spinach, or you can just leave this stew plain. It depends. You can use this Nigerian goat meat stew. You can use it to eat your rice. You can use it to eat macaroni, yam, pasta, and so on and so forth. This stew is very, very delicious and very versatile. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll be seeing you in my next video, but please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Give us a thumbs up for our efforts, and you can ask any question in the description box. See you in my next video. Bye.